Hey folks, thanks for stopping by the channel again. Wanted to give a couple of updates on what's going on out here. Talking about the PGR application that I put down. Gonna show you the height of cut that I'm maintaining right now, and also a product that I found that works really well for Nutsedge. So first, before I put down the application of the PGR, I was mowing every other day with my 20-inch McLean reel mower, and was keeping up with the height of cut really well, but it was a pain trying to mow every other day. So I put down this application of PGR. I use T-Nex. So I put it down, and instead of now mowing every other day, I've got a 4-day break. So it doesn't sound like a whole lot, but if you've been mowing every other day, you know what I'm talking about. So it's been a heck of a difference. I'll spin it around so we can see what I'm talking about. So this is after putting the PGR down. This is 4 days after getting a mow, keeping it really short. Really thick. It's been looking really good. Look at that. Doing good. So the product I found for Nutsedge, I've used the Image product that everybody always talks about, but what I found, this Roundup really worked good. So if you can see it right here, this is only after 3 days of applying it to the Nutsedge, and look at it, it's yellowed out and it is gone. So if you don't mind a little bit of browning of your yard, you can see another spot right in here that had it, but that stuff is gone. And if you use the Image product, it works well also, but it takes a little bit longer to really show you some results. But that's the yard right now. Like I said before, everything's looking really good. Keeping it nice and short, but that's the update. Again, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.